A short video about battery failure on Hero, first generation Hero. It simple doesn't charge anymore. No react to charger when plug in. What to do? You have to disconnect the batteries and check the voltage. On Hero, it looks like 4 battery pack, but it's actually 2 pack configuration, like in RS or 2 pack Nikola. So it's 100-volt wheel with 2 pack single 24 P1S, you can say. Let me just check the voltage. 70, it's good. Here too. $69. $19. This is a faulty battery pack. Front left pack is faulty. 19 volt only. Quick fix. You need an adapter from charging port to MT60 to connect this to this faulty battery pack, and just charge it. I would think it's enough, just start the charging to some extent, then you connect batteries together and full charge it, the whole wheel. Let's try it. Otherwise, I used to charge up to maximum, it'd be like 100 volt on each pack. Let's try if it's kick it, if it's enough, like this. Just small charge used to be enough. Of course, it's very dangerous. I would like to recommend to, if you had crash on this wheel or water damage, you better open it and check the battery pack physical condition. But just for science, let's try it like this. Quick fix. If it will charge again. Ta-da. Yes, look. Now it's charging. It is very dangerous to work with batteries. You have to know what you're doing. Be prepared to surprises. I know this battery, this wheel, so I take a risk and now full charge, complete wheel, and we'll see. You see, this is Hero Ghost with silicone sealed, basically waterproof wheel. It's my demo wheel, one of my favorites for off-road and just fun. Light, easy wheel with a lot of torque and good suspension. So now it's charging.